What happens if I put this gum on my grafts? Is that crazy? Only a crazy person would do that, right? Well, hey, if you're looking for crazy, you're in the right channel. Welcome back to the channel. It's been 6 months since I had my second FUE mini procedure, and this is my update video. So I decided to film this outdoors in the full sun to show you how it looks, you know, under totally natural light and sunlight. Thing is, I can barely see myself in the viewfinder, so I guess I'll see how this looks when I get home. But this should give you a clear idea how, you know, a hair transplant looks 6 months after the surgery in full sunlight. So as you can see, my hair's gotten like a lot nicer in the last 3 months. I'll put a photo here of how I looked 3 months ago when I was last up here and it was all cloudy and stuff. So it's definitely thickened up. I'll go right here in like the full sun. Can barely see, but yeah, check it out. Let me see if I can zoom in. So to me, it feels like it's really thickened up. This is like really nice. And as you can see, the hair's like growing out, and now it's like, I don't know. Like, I haven't tried to do this like style at all, but like my hair's naturally going that way. I guess that's just the natural way it wants to like grow out. But I'm not complaining, it looks nice. So yeah. It's thickened up a lot. I have no complaints. And let me get another angle. All right, so now I'll give you guys the 360 view. So obviously this is the front. Here's the side. No evidence of any FUE. This is the back. Same thing. The other side just looks normal. Back to me. I wanted to do an experiment. I saw this at the supermarket, and I haven't had this since I was a kid. It's that bubblegum that comes out like, you know, measuring tape. It's kind of cool. It says here 6 feet of fun. So I'm gonna actually chew on this and do an experiment.
This is good. Oh my god, this is good. It's like I'm tasting my childhood.
Do you guys remember when you were a kid and you would play with your bubblegum? And sometimes the bubblegum would like get in your hair. Maybe not. Maybe other kids would do it to you, right? They put gum in your hair. What happens if I put this gum on my grafts? Is that crazy? Only a crazy person would do that, right? Well, hey, if you're looking for crazy, you're in the right channel. Let's see. Okay, so that is how bubblegum looks when it's stuck to FUE grafts. Oh my god, what am I doing? I'm pulling out my grafts. That's kind of crazy. Did it work? Did I pull out a graft? I hope not. Oops. All right, so I wanted to show you guys how my hair looks here in the car, because the light is a little softer, but it's still like really good natural light. So that's how the grafts look. I don't think I have permanent damage from that gum thing. But yeah, there you go. Look at that work. That is like exquisite work. HMR and Dr. Cortez did just awesome. An awesome job. Look at that. All right. Anyways, don't put gum in your hair. That was really, really dumb. Now, this is the part where I would answer questions, but it seems everybody just turns off my video at this point, so I'm not even gonna bother. I'll just make a separate video where I will answer the 10 most asked questions to Moises Amaya about his FUE grafts. But that's not this video, so stay tuned for that. Let's see. I guess my next video will be in a month. Everything's looking good. Let's see. I want to give a shout out to Reilly, Andy from Australia, Tío Juan Carlos. These are other great YouTubers out there. And also to Daniel Power in London, England. So check out their channels, their hair journeys. They're very interesting too. All right, my name's Moises Amaya, and I'm out.